Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 7. Its title is Happy Independence Day. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to read and comprehend this beautiful poem. And before this in English for grade 1, we have learned how to recite a poem with action. So we'll repeat this exercise. Read and recite short poem or nursery rhyme with actions and identify words that begin with the same sound. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah At-Teen, verse 1 till 5, by the fig and by the olive, by Mount Sinai, and by the city of security, Mecca. Verily, we created man of the best stature, means mold. Yes, my dear students, what these beautiful verses are telling us. Beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is taking off on 5 things. Fig, olive, Mount Sinai, city of Mecca. And why Allah is saying this? To tell us that Allah has created human being in the best form. So, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Beta, Allah has created us the best. So, we should always be thankful to Allah. The way Allah has created us, the way Allah has structured your face is the beautiful face on the face of the earth. So, all of you should be happy. Say thanks to Allah for everything what Allah has given to us. And now, look at this word, Makkah. You know, it's name of a city where Baitullah is, and we go to offer Hajj over there. So, beta, it is telling us the importance of the place, and in our today's lesson, we'll talk about the place of our beloved country. Okay, so let's start our lecture. First, you tell me, all of you, open your book. The title of this unit is Happy Independence Day. So, you tell me, look at the given picture and guess what the poem is about. We have learned this technique. So, look at the picture, what the poem is about. Look at the title as well. Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, I hope you could answer like this is the picture of our flag and this poem is about the patriotism. And Independence Day, what is the Independence Day? 14th of August, on which Pakistan came into being. All right. So, let's start our today's poem. First, let's understand. You will listen carefully because after me, you have to read and recite this poem. Look, there it's our flag. This one, this is our flag. This is the beautiful flag of our country, Pakistan. I can see the white star. Can you see white star? Yes, I can see. And the crescent too. It's the crescent. And why do we call it? We don't call it moon. Why do we call it crescent? Because crescent is the moon of first night. The first, when moon appears for the first night, it is called crescent. Okay. So, it's crescent and star on our flag. How pretty they are. Don't they look pretty? Yes, and our flag is pretty. It shines in the sun, makes us one. But a flag is in fact a symbol of a nation, a symbol of a free nation. So, Alhamdulillah, our flag, when it flutters in air, when it shines, it tells us we are one as a nation. And who we are? We are Pakistani, Alhamdulillah. It flutters very high. And what does flutters mean? It means the act of moving. When anything moves with the air, there is a movement. It is called flutter. So when you raise a flag, In air, it flutters. That is called the way it moves. That's called flutter. So it flutters very high in the blue sky. Yes, it is. You can see in this picture. We celebrate this day. And what does celebrate mean? Enjoy a special event, a day which is special for you. You enjoy it. So we celebrate this day. Which day we celebrate? It's our country's birthday, and that is 14 August. Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. So beta, 14 August every year we celebrate as the Independence Day because it is our country's birthday. It is the day on which our country was independent. It came into being. Right? So this is the beautiful poem about the Independence Day, and we talked about flag as a symbol of a nation. All right. So that's it about this poem. Now it's your turn. First you answer this question, what the poem is about. And when do we celebrate Independence Day? I just told you. So pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and after that, you are going to recite this beautiful poem with actions. I have taught you how to recite poems with action. So teachers kindly make every child to make their own actions and recite this beautiful poem. Pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I can see you are excited. Now settle down, because I'm going to give you another concept, that is, words can have the same beginning sound. Remember, I have taught you beginning sound. What are the beginning sounds? Whenever we say or hear a word, the first sound which we say or we hear is the beginning sound. So there are words which can have same beginning sound as can, cap, catch, all have same beginning sound. The next example is bear and bread. They have same beginning sound, and it's the, this, and thing. All these words also have same beginning sound. And what is that? By the way, it's a digraph. Good, my children are smart. It's a digraph because two letters are joining to make one sound, and here all these three words having the same sound. That's the, this, there. Right? So this is how words can have same beginning sound. All right. So this is another concept which we are going to practice. Are you ready for that? Okay. So teacher will divide students in pairs. Teacher will say a word and ask a pair to tell more words with the same beginning sound. Okay. Teacher will say a word. You'll have to listen it carefully, and you'll say more words with this same beginning sound. Each pair will have to participate in this activity. All right, so pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. I know my children are smart, and this activity was easy for you. All right. Okay. Now it's time for comprehension. These are the questions you are going to answer to your teacher. Teachers, once again, because our children are little, so you will take oral answers first, keep correcting them, and then make them to write the answers. And after that, you have to complete this exercise in your book. So pause the video, complete this task, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Okay. So it's time for your homework. You will draw and color Pakistani flag and write answer of the post-reading questions. These answers you just told to your teacher. So now in your homework, you have to write these answers in your notebook. And also draw and color Pakistani flag. This is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet's lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, here is a paragraph. You will read it, you will comprehend it, and then you will write the answers of these questions. This is how you will complete this worksheet. So what we have learned today, we learned to identify words that begin with the same sound, and we read and recite the poem with action. So we achieved our SLOs to read and recite short poem or nursery rhymes with actions and identify words that begin with the same sound. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.